Hello everyone, let me show you a crazy operating system that runs in browser's window. So you can see this is the browser Chrome and I am talking about this operating system Pewter. So go to this website pewter.com and you can see a operating system. So welcome to personal internet computer. So get started. So you can see it is a operating system. You can click on the start to see all the apps which are available. Okay, so you can create a new folder, you can create new text document, HTML document, anything you want. You can do this. You can create new folder, text document, HTML document. So you can see a new folder I have created. And then you can see it has created a folder. Okay, and in this folder then again you can create folder or any files. Okay, so it also has the app center also. You can click on the app center to view all the apps you can install on this browser window, browser operating system. So here you will see all the apps which are available in its app center. Just wait, and you can see you can also create a notepad file. You can also use its code feature. First time it will take some time. It will depend upon your internet speed. Now you can see the app center which I have clicked. So this is the Pewter marketplace. You can see you can explore the games. You can see there are so many apps available in this operating system. Okay, you can also explore the productivity apps, etc., graphics and design, utilities. You can explore these in this operating system. So this is the craziest operating system I have explored, and now you can see the code has been opened. Here you can create a new file. Even you can create it has a Jupyter notebook support also. You can create the notebook, you can create Python files in it. So you can type a type of file, and you can see where you want to save this file. I want to save on desktop. Just click save. So it will create a new file. So you can store the data. You are currently in a temporary session. You can save the session to avoid accidentally losing your, and for that you have to create an account. Next time you will use the Pewter and you can sign in with the account so that your data you will have access to your data. You can create an account on this Pewter. Okay, and you can create a file here. So, easy. So for the time I am not saving. You can see it has the camera, recorder, development center, many apps it has, inbuilt apps, and if you want to download the apps from the app center you can download, and it has the AI feature which you can explore. So these are the apps. You can see so many apps, so many games which are available. Even it has the calculator, so you can use the calculator plus, so it's very helpful. So just give some time to explore this. Okay, so you can try games also. So I just want to show that this is the craziest operating system that you can even try in the browser. You must have knowledge about this operating system that you can try. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.